Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. This is Captain Ben Beecher. Today we're on our 2019 Galeon 470 Sky. Starting at the back of the boat, you can see this does have the submersible swim platform. Also has back underneath the name there, pull-out grill. And then as we go up the port side entry here, you'll see that has a port side fold-out terrace. These stairs here take you up to the sky deck up top. And then we have our nice big seat back here. It's kind of made into a sun pad now. You can pull this pad out and make it into, bring the table up, have a seating area if you need a table, or you can just make one big sun pad like they have now. And you can see on both sides of this will have nice walkable area up to the bow. Where you will have additional seating up here at the bow. All right, nice big windshield. Skylight opens up real nice. Really get a lot of air movement through this boat if you wanted it and needed it. Coming inside the boat here, once again, Galeon has a great design in opening this all up. This door opens this way, and then these doors will accordion out and really open this whole back end up if you need it. And you walk right into your galley here. So galley here to port. This window slides open, and then you have a bar top that opens up to your folding terrace with bar stools, so you can have your friends, family sitting out there bellied up. Over here, starboard side, you have your entertainment, so your stereo controls down here, and then your TV, which will pop up out of here, bring it up out of there. Nice big seating area for eating at. This also doubles into a bed. This table opens up. You have a bigger table, or you can drop it down, fill the cushion in, have another seating area. Here's your helm station here. This has zip wake and a bow thruster, pre-wired for yacht controller, and all your electronics such as autopilot, GPS, and radar. You also have a helm station up at the sky deck if you wanted to drive from up there as well. Really cool visibility from up top there. This window here drops down and opens, as well as the skylight up here. Going down these stairs, one of the neatest things about these Galeon 470 Skies is they're a 3-stateroom sub 50-foot boat. So over here to starboard, you have your bunk room. Forward, you have your bow bed area. It has coffered ceilings in here. Nice big generous area. Jack and Jill's into this head here. So that door goes into the bathroom there. This is a wet head, so the shower and head are shared. Then come back in here to the master stateroom. This has a dry head back here for the master. So head and shower separate. Coming back into here, nice big bed area. A lot of storage, closet storage. And then you have kind of a prep station over here, place to get ready, mirror, put on some makeup, whatever you need there. So really great boat, whether you're live aboard or day boater here. This boat's been used for Lake of the Ozarks. It's been a day boat, but Galeon does not miss any fit and finish. You have Alcatraz suede all over. You have the hardwood floors. So overall, great boat. Well riding boat, Class B yacht. So really everything you need in one of these. So once again, this is the 2019 Galeon 470 Sky. My name is Ben Beecher. Feel free to call or reach out today to set up your private showing. Thanks. Have a great day.